Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is me again, your teacher Russell. In today's video, we're going to talk about the verb tenses, and basically I'm going to talk about the three basic tenses of the verb: the present tense, past tense, and the future tense. So there are other tenses of the verb, the perfect tenses, but we will not discuss those things in this video, but I will make another video next time. So why is it important to study the tenses of the verb? The very first reason why is because we have to know when is this thing happening, or when did this happen. So that's why we have to use the tenses of the verb. We have the present tense, which is happening nowadays. We also have the past tense, which has already happened in the past. And of course, we have the future tense, which are the things that they're still going to happen in the future. So I wish that you will be able to like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. Do not forget to click that notification bell so you will be updated with my uploads every time. I upload videos every Sunday, Philippine time, and it is my goal to be able to help you guys learn something from my lessons. I try to make it very simple, easy, and understandable. Let's take a look at this video.
First, let's review. Do you still remember what a verb is? A verb is an action word. It tells about the action being done by the subject in a sentence. Example: run, walk, exercise, and so on. Like what I have mentioned earlier, we will study about the basic tenses of the verb in this lesson. Let's start with present tense. Here is a sample sentence. Timothy and Harvey play basketball with their cousins. The word play is in the present tense. It denotes that the action of the subject is happening now. How do we make it into a past tense? Using the word play, we will add ed at the end of the word. Play becomes played. It is now in the past tense. Verbs in the past tense usually have ed or d endings, except for irregular verbs. I also made a lesson about irregular verbs, so I will post the link in the description box below. Be sure to check it out because irregular verbs are very confusing. Now, what happens to the first sentence? Again, the sentence was, Timmy and Harvey play basketball with their cousins. Even without using the time marker, which is now, we know for sure that the sentence is in the present tense. Now, let's go back to the rule. To form the past tense of the verb, we need to add d or ed at the end of the word. So, the previous sentence should now be written this way. Timmy and Harvey played basketball with their cousins. See, the sentence is now in the past tense. How about the future tense? How do we make it? The rule is very simple. We only add the word will to the base form of the verb. Again, the verb is play. It is the base word. It is called a base word because there are no added syllables at the beginning or end of the word. Played is not a base word because it has an additional ed at the end. So, let us now make play a future tense. Like what I've said previously, we only need to add will to the base word. Now, the word play becomes will play. The sentence becomes, Timmy and Harvey will play basketball with their cousins. The sentence is now in the future tense. Well, I guess that is easy, right? Let's have another example. present tense, dance. Past tense, danced. Future tense, will dance. Let's use the words in a sentence. Present tense, John and Anna dance well. Past tense, John and Anna danced well. Future tense, John and Anna will dance well. Another example? Sure. Present tense, prepare. Past tense, prepared. Future tense, will prepare. Let's use them all in a sentence. Present tense, the chefs prepare spaghetti for lunch. Past tense, the chefs prepared spaghetti for lunch. Future tense, the chefs will prepare spaghetti for lunch. Take note, I used plural form of the verb in all my examples to avoid confusion. In present tense, verbs in singular form have an S at the end. So, play becomes plays, dance becomes dances, prepare becomes prepares. Example: Timmy plays basketball. Present tense. Maria dances well. That is also in the present tense. The chef prepares spaghetti for lunch. That is in the present tense. More examples? Not a problem. Let's have some examples in a more detailed explanation. June loves to ride motorcycles. The verb in the sentence is loves. Well, maybe you will ask why. And so, why is that so? It is because the subject in the sentence is singular. That is why the verb ends in S. What is the subject in this sentence? June loves to ride motorcycles. It is, of course, June. Because June is singular, the verb needs to have an S at the end of the word. So, take note, all singular subjects must have verbs that end in S. So the rule in forming the past tense of singular verbs is simple. Just remove the S, then add D or ED at the end of the word. While in future tense, just remove the S, then add will to the base word. Example: present tense, loves. Past tense, loved. Future tense, will love. Let's use the words in a sentence. Present tense, Russell loves to sing. Past tense, Russell loved to sing when she was young. Future tense, I'm sure that Russell will love to sing once she has started her training. Another example. Kane washes the dishes really fast. Present tense. Kane washed the dishes really fast. Past tense. Kane will wash the dishes really fast. Future tense. One last example. Daddy fixes the broken sink. That's in the present tense. Daddy fixed the broken sink. That is in the past tense. Daddy will fix the broken sink. That is now in the future tense. Remember, only the present tense in singular form has the letter S at the end. The past tense and the future tense don't. So stick to their own rules.
thank you again for watching that video. I hope you learned something, and I'll try my best to speak clearly as I can as well, so you guys will be able to understand. So again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support this channel and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated by my new uploads. Thank you so much and have fun learning. Bye bye.